Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 7th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame to start with. So on the Kiwi dollar, I've been saying that this is a wave 1 and possibly a running ABC of 2, and we are now in a wave 3. If this really is a wave 3, it needs to continue to make higher highs, higher lows. If it goes down and takes out this structure, it is definitely not a wave 3, but in fact it would be an A, a B, and a C. If it is an ABC, then it would just continue all the way down, likely taking out these lows. So now that the daily time frame did turn down, I'm looking for shorts on shorter time frames. While I'm looking for shorts, I'm hopefully going to learn and earn at the same time whether this is an ABC like this and it turns back up like a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 of 3, or I'm going to learn and earn at the same time whether this is a brand new impulsive move to the downside and that this really is a wave C. So keeping all that in mind, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I am definitely looking for shorts right now. I am definitely not looking to go short right this minute at the bottom of a wave. But if we do get a pullback, I am definitely going to go short. If it makes 3 waves down to a fib level, like an overlapping pattern, then reverses back up, I will likely stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. If it just continues to make an impulsive move down and, bounce but no break of structure and just keeps on going down, breaking this low, then I'll know that this high right here is not a wave 3. I will know that this high is a wave C. So this is my favorite type of trading when I don't really know whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3, but I will be learning and earning at the same time while I learn. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.